YouTube, it's been a long time. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Curly from the Curly and Phoenix channel. So I have a new box opening video today. In this box is the GoPro Hero 9, and I was messaged about a very interesting GoPro bundle, and I'm going to open it up, take a look, and we'll see if it was worth it. This video is not sponsored by GoPro in any way, and I'm not sure if this bundle is even still available on the website, but I will post the link to their website below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Okay, let's get this thing open. Alright, so this bundle came with the GoPro Day Tripper backpack, of course, the GoPro Hero 9, and I also bought the dual battery charger. So this particular bundle included the GoPro Plus annual subscription, the Hero 9 Black, the retail bundle, and a free Day Tripper backpack. With subscribing to the subscription, it did let me get the dual battery charger for a discounted price. They also offered free shipping, and in total I saved $264.99 with this bundle. I think it's a great deal. I'm going to open everything else up and take a look at it firsthand. Now this was included free. Oh, and it actually came with another clip. Wow. Nice double zip. Some water seal. So this is the end of the GoPro unboxing. Let me know if you guys think this was a good deal, and also any accessories you guys think would be a good addition to my GoPro. I would really love to hear it and get some opinion. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.